Yes, I once again did not trade today for a variety of different reasons. One, we're trading at all-time highs, so I can't base any of my levels off of liquidity to the upside because there is none, so it's kind of a thing. But all of our time frames were set up in congruence with one another, so that was awesome. But what I was looking for ideally was this right over here. There's no liquidity in here for me to really target, so I was mostly interested in this order block right here, this 1 hour order block. And then when you drop down to the 1 minute, we see that we also built, like right after open, we built these perfect relative equal sell side liquidity. So I'm hoping we can go and return to this at some point. But I thought that this would be a really awesome level just to see it skyrocket. And I see it come up. I'm like, oh, okay, we'll just go down now. And it comes down, doesn't do anything. So it was a disappointing endeavor, but it is what it is. And I couldn't base afternoon session off of anything. So I just didn't trade. This new day opening gap is still open though, so we'll see how long it takes for that to get closed up. Oh, excuse me. But I was looking for SMTs between the S&P and NASDAQ, and I wasn't finding anything. Best I found was that S&P was making some lower lows. It was more congested in this area. Like this low right here takes out this low back here. And that did not happen in this case over here, where we have, or yeah, I guess it did happen over here, but we have this low right here and this right here. But I don't know, I thought the S&P setup was more bearish and we weren't getting anything, so that was an unfortunate setup. But yeah, it kind of is what it is. Nothing brilliant for today. It looks like these bodies respected the 50% today's CE though on the first presented fair value gap. But I don't really got a whole lot. That's pretty much it for me. Haven't really found any trades this week so far. Monday was pretty bad, and today was meh. So hoping there will be some more opportunities in the next couple days, hypothetically. Maybe let me look at the news real quick so I can get an idea of what we're looking at. Yeah, today was the first day with any news this week, with news at 6 a.m. I didn't do anything. Nice. Well, that's awesome. We got non-farm employment tomorrow at 8:15. And then at 8:30 we have unemployment claims on Thursday, and on Friday we have the unemployment rate and NFP at 8:30 in the morning. And then we at 10 a.m. we have prelim U of M consumer sentiment and prelim U of M inflation expectations. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Do you guys know what U of M stands for? University of Michigan? I could probably look it up, but whatever. Yeah, no, I don't really have a lot. Didn't trade. Yeah, I just didn't really see a whole lot. There wasn't a whole lot for me to take advantage of. I trade the 15-second, and the only thing that I could have seen us taking advantage of is this first presented fair value gap. All of these bodies are more or less by like a tick or so. Yeah, by like a tick are respecting this CE of today's first presented fair value gap. Oh, excuse me. And then yeah, heads down and hits this first presented fair value gap from probably like a day or so ago. Was this? This was just, and then it dipped into regular trading hours opening range gap. Let's see if NASDAQ did the same. This is just the only thing that I saw today. So yeah, no, we didn't get that here. So there's this first presented fair value gap here as of today, and we didn't drop into that. So I think the only possibility would have been, yeah, this SMT right here. SMT right here is what I'm looking at. Yeah, this would have been my best bet on anything, which isn't much, just so we're clear. Yeah, no, this would have been pretty much all I had. There's a pretty nice wick structure right here. We make a lower wick, and then we come down. We respect the CE of this wick from that point on. And we go up and take out previous highs right up here for these relative equal highs. This is probably the best I would have seen. This is the best I could have seen, honestly. I don't know if you really would have had an entry on this. I probably, just because this is such a low time frame situation where you're dealing with such lower time frames, a 5-second application, and an application of the 5-second may be more beneficial in this scenario. But that is up to the individual. All these wicks are in the same place. Solid, solid, solid. The only issue is that this move was so drastic to the downside. I don't know what you would have taken as a market structure shift. Because typically I would take this up here as a market structure shift, which would not have been ideal. Anyways, today wasn't great. So that's really my review. But that's it. I hope you all are safe. I hope you all are enjoying yourselves and the week. But yeah, no, that's about it for me today. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow or Thursday or Friday even is better than today and yesterday. Yeah, no, not a whole lot. So that's all I have for you guys. Hope you had a good one. I'll see you all on the next one.